no. Hello guys. Today we have Boba Plus Mochi Donut. And this is
Tyler again.
Yeah.
Back for another rodeo. Back for another rodeo.
Unfortunately.
You included me in this.
So today we got a box of 3 donuts, creme brulee, matcha, and cookies and cream. And then I got a all cheese potato Korean corn dog, and he got an all cheese blue talkie corn dog.
Dude, dang!
That looks crazy.
These are fat.
That's the blue talkie one. That looks insane.
The potato one also looks crazy.
The potato one looks beautiful.
I wouldn't scoff at the blue potato. The potato one, it looks fire. Okay.
And then
let's tape shirts. You give me.
No, bro, I don't need help.
Oh. Ooh!
They're pretty.
They're actually, dang. They do. They have a very nice smell.
So these are mochi donuts. They're not regular donuts. Obviously, matcha, cookies and cream, creme brulee.
I'm still not quite sure how mochi donuts could be different from regular donuts.
I don't know. I've never had them. We'll see.
Okay, well, we're here now.
Yep. Alright.
We should probably like collapse the box because you can do that. Just gotta carefully rip it. Okay, maybe not too careful, I guess. And then the sides. There we are. The matcha one looks so like, it looks like matte. Like it doesn't quite look like a shell or anything. It looks like a matte
It
color.
just looks beautiful. Alright. So same mojo as last video. Q&A. Except this time I'm gonna dive straight into it. So let's do I don't know. Let's do, what does a perfect day look like to you?
A perfect day for me?
Bro, they done got the blue talkie dust on my thing.
You'll live, bro. The perfect day for me, like currently, with the weather that we have, it would be like overcast. Enough clouds to block out the sun.
Bro, you gotta eat these. Because these came all the way from butt crack.
Butt crack, they just came far away. Back to what I was saying though. Overcast, clouds, pretty much. Hanging out with friends. Pretty straightforward day. Here's what the inside of mine looks like. I'm not trying to move too much because the like crumbs are falling everywhere.
These would definitely be a lot better fresh. With the cheese, but they're so good. And there's so much cheese, like, it's insane.
Whoa. Dude, mine's just like falling.
What's something you've always wanted to learn or do but haven't yet?
I want to learn how to sew. I feel like it's such a like a universal thing that you can do, because you can sew a lot of stuff. Sew clothes, you can like sew patches, stuff like that.
What happened to you when you learned how to cook?
Oh, cooking's so simple though. Like I'm already in a class for it, so it's not much of a challenge.
Right. So which donut should we try?
Matcha as a strong start.
Okay.
Because I personally
No.
drinking matcha, I love it. It tastes like
breaking
sea
these in
cucumber.
half because I don't know which ones Mom's gonna want.
Oh yeah, she wants to try one.
Well, I don't know what one she will want to try.
So here we are.
Oh. So.
It looks like a regular donut.
They're just
inside.
balls.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've been fooled.
The matcha's there. It's just like very calm. It's not like matcha. Like if you drink it, you will taste it. It's like it's a nice cream. It's good though. I'll say that.
Yeah. It's very light in flavor, I would say. What's the best piece of advice you've ever received?
The best piece of advice that I've ever received? Well, it's hard to remember because most of the advice I've gotten has come from school counselors, and I haven't talked to a school counselor since elementary. But a lot of it was just more or less, don't let other people completely take control over your life. It's your life for a reason. Don't have everybody that you know, or at least your close friends, don't have them have that much place in your day-to-day decisions, pretty much. If you need that peace and quiet for yourself, then have that peace and quiet. Don't be afraid to take it.
Wow. So poetic. Thank you for sharing.
You're welcome.
What has been your most humbling experience?
My most humbling experience.
Yeah.
My 13th birthday.
You mean your 12th?
My 12th, 13th, I couldn't remember. But yeah, my 12th birthday.
You want to share with the class what happened on your 12th birthday?
My 12th birthday, our brother almost died. From a presumed drug overdose. He lived. Like I said, almost died. He lived. And it was just really humbling because, like, you're right there. You're standing and you're looking at death, but it's not happening to you. It's happening to somebody close to you. Specifically a family member. It was very humbling. It really, like, gave a good, clear point of view, like, of where the silver lining between life and death really is. It's not very far.
Okay.
This donut fire, though.
All of these donuts are just really sugary in general, so.
I feel like the creme brulee one's gonna be the sugariest because it's literally melted sugar.
That one looks really good though.
It does. It looks amazing. This Blue Takis Korean corn dog though, it's so good. It's got like a toasty flavor almost. I've had like 3 close cheese pulls so far. That's like the best one. You know, for not being exactly fresh since they were like 40 minutes away, or like an hour away, and we got these delivered. Very good flavor.
I feel like they would just be better if they were warm.
Mm-hmm. But they ain't necessarily bad.
Yeah. Hypothetically, I guess I could heat it up, but
How good would that be for it?
yeah, I'm not trying to do all that.
Very good though.
Alright. What's something you've done that you're really proud of? Ooh, this one's hard.
Yeah, creme brulee is a very
Ooh,
rough thing. It's crunchy.
it has a sound to it.
Something I'm proud